Hey little ones, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. So children, in the previous session what we have learnt? We have started opposite words, right? So in the previous session we have completed our new content, which is opposites. Yes, so from today there is one new concept. Yes, for that every day whenever you are sitting for this online classes, you have to keep with you literacy skill book and workbook, okay? Because in the previous session we have completed our phonics book, okay? Phonics skill book, phonics content we have completed. Only reading part is there. So we'll do one thing. From today onwards there will be literacy skill book reading part will be there, okay? So you have to take with you literacy skill book and workbook. Okay, now children, come to page number 67. Take your literacy skill book. Yes, children, I hope you have opened this page. Yes, can you see on this page, here are some pictures. Okay, in this picture, can you see on this page, you can see here are some sentences, right? In front of these sentences, some pictures are given. Yes. These are the sentence, short sentences are there, and in front of this, can you see this picture? Why it is there? Because from today onwards there will be a reading part. Okay, there are some compositions माने paragraph design किया हुआ. Okay, so there are the concept in which is reading. So today's concept is picture reading. Read aloud with the help of picture clues. Read aloud with the help of picture clues. Okay, so we are having these clues. Yes, we are having these pictures, but what we are going to do, we have to recognize this picture. Okay, and then only the sentence will be completed. Okay, then only the sentence will complete. So with the help of this picture we are going to read the sentences. Okay children, so before reading the sentences, I'll just explain you. Tell me which picture is this? I'm just explaining you, okay? So children, before we start sentence reading, I'll just explain you for your convenience. See what it is. This is a ball. So I will write beside this, okay? B-A-double-L ball. Okay? Now come to next picture. Which picture is this? Yes? Is this a fan? Yes. So I will write here F-A-N, fan. Okay. B-A-double-L ball, F-A-N fan. And what it is? Which picture is this? Mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Okay, next picture. This is, who is this? I will write in small word, small writing, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. And which picture is this? Is this apple? Then banana. Okay, next picture. Yes, who is this? Many times we have read this vocabulary. Clone. C-L-O-W-N. Next, what is this? This is a sofa or chair? Chair, very nice. So C-H-A-I-R, chair. Now, which flower is this? Is this hibiscus? Then rose, very good. R-O-S-E, rose. And which picture is this? D, crow or duck? Haan, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Okay? Now Now children, see, now we are going to read this. You understood the picture's name? Okay. Now you have to repeat after teacher. Okay. Say P-I-C-T U-R-E. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. Put your finger in your book. Below each letter you have to put the finger. Okay. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading. Picture reading. Okay. R-E-A-D, read. A-L-O-U-D, allowed. W-I-T-H, with. T-H-E, the. H-E-L-P, help. O-F, off. P-I-C-T U-R-E, picture. C-L-U-E-S, clues. Read aloud with the help of picture clues. Okay, I'll just read this once. Afterwards, together we are going to read. Okay, children? See, I have a ball. Which picture is this? This is a ball. Okay, so if you will see, children, I have a ball. मेरे पास एक ball है. So here, what we have used? I have a ball. Okay, next. Which picture is this? F-A-N, fan. Look at the fan. फैन को देखो या फिर फैन की तरफ देखो. ओके, लुक एट द फैन. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. नाउ विच पिक्चर इज दिस? हु इज देयर इन दिस पिक्चर? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस? माउस. ओके, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. I see a mouse. Children, if you will see, I माने मैं, C, S-E-E-C, देखना. ओके, S-E-A-C, समुंदर, जहां पे वो पानी होता है ना, बीच जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. ओके, सो S-E-A-C, दैट इज डिफरेंट. हियर S-E-E-C, C माने देखना. I see a mouse. Okay, next. Who is this? This is a monkey and this is banana. A monkey likes to eat banana. A monkey likes to eat banana. Monkey को क्या पसंद है खाने में? Banana. Okay, come to next picture. Who is there in this picture? Clown. The clown is funny. C-L-O-W-N. The clown is funny. Can you see in this picture? The clown is looking like funny, right? So, जो clown है वो कैसे दिखता है? Funny दिखता है. Okay, funny clown को describe किया है यहाँ पर. Okay, next. What is this? Sofa or chair? Chair. Very good. C-H-A-I-R, chair. I need a chair. मुझे चेयर चाहिए या फिर मुझे चेयर की जरूरत है. I need a chair. मुझे चेयर चाहिए. Okay, next. Can you see which flower is this? This is a rose. Okay, and which color it has? Red color. The rose is red. Rose flower जो है उसका कलर कौन सा है? Which color it describe? Red color. So the rose is red. Okay, next sentence. What is the name of this? Yes, it is a duck. So the duck is in the pond. Pond माने छोटा सा जो तालाब होता है ना, एकदम छोटा सा होता है, उसको हम pond बोलते हैं. So the duck is in the pond. Okay children, so I hope till here you understood. You understand the vocabularies, these pictures, right? So shall we read this? Okay, repeat after teacher. I-H-A-V-E have a B-A-L-L ball. Yes, I have a ball. I have a ball. Yes. Now children, shall we read the sentences? Okay. So already here we have written the names of pictures. Okay. So I hope there will be no problem to read the sentences. Okay. Each time we are not going to write this. Okay. Only for our clearance of concept, for that purpose we are writing. So 1 to 2 periods we are going to write. Okay. Repeat after teacher. I-H-A-V-E have a B-A-L-L ball. I have a ball. I have a ball. You have to put your finger below each word, okay, below each letter. Now children, if you will see here which article it has used, a ball. Okay, quantity में एक ही ball है ना, so article क्या लिखा है? I have a ball. Okay, and B for ball. B is a consonant. Yes, come to next picture. Look at the fan. L-O-O-K, look. A-T, at. T-H-E, the. F-A-N, fan. Look at the fan. Look at the fan. Okay, next. I-S-E-E-A-M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. I see a mouse. I see a mouse. Okay, come to next picture. A-M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. We can say also. A-M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. L-I-K-E-S, likes. T-O-2, E-A-T, eat. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. A monkey likes to eat banana. A monkey likes to eat banana. Okay, come to next sentence. T-H-E, the. C-L-O-W-N, clone. I-S is F-U-N-N-Y, funny. The clone is funny. The clone is funny. Okay, next sentence. I-N-E-E-D, need. A C-H-A-I-R, chair. I need a chair. I need a chair. Come to next sentence. T-H-E, the. R-O-S-E, rose. I-S is R-E-D, red. The rose is red. Okay, last sentence. T-H-E, the. D-U-C-K, duck. I-S is I-N in. T-H-E, the. P-O-N-D, pond. The duck is in the pond. Okay, now what I'll do is I am going to erase this. Okay, now we are going to now we are going to read directly sentences. Okay, yes, shall we start? Fine. I have a ball. I have a ball. Look at the fan. Look at the fan. Next, I see a mouse. I see a mouse. A monkey likes to eat banana. A monkey likes to eat banana. Next sentence. The clown is funny. The clown is funny. Next. I need a chair. One more time. I need a chair. The rose is red. How is the rose? Red. The rose is red. The duck is in the pond. The duck is in the pond. The duck is in the pond. Okay, till here have you understood? Now come to page number 6868. Have you opened this page, all of you? Okay, now children, I hope you have opened this page. Have you opened? Okay, yes. So children, on this page, can you see these are the pictures? Okay, so now we are not going to write the spelling of these pictures directly. We will try to read the sentence directly. We will try to recognize the picture. Okay, so children, tell me which picture is this? Yes, this is a flower, but what is the name of this flower? Lotus. What is the name of this flower? Lotus. Yes, so L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Okay, only one example I will write here. So the lotus smells nice. How is the smell of lotus? Nice. Okay, come to next picture. Is this a train? Then which picture is this? Car. So a car runs on fuel. Fuel. कार किसके ऊपर चलती है, किसकी वजह से चलती है? जब हम लोग फ्यूल डालते हैं तब कार चलती है ना. Yes. Come to next picture. Come to next sentence. Can you see? Which picture is this? Is this a key? Then lock. Very nice. Can you open the lock? Can you open the lock? आप ये लॉक ओपन कर सकते हो क्या? Can you open the lock? माने ये जो क्वेश्चन है, सॉरी ये जो सेंटेंस है, क्या किया है? क्वेश्चन पूछा है इस सेंटेंस में. ओके, सो कम टू नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. I have a xylophone. What it is? Xylophone. मेरे पास क्या है? Xylophone है. I have a xylophone. Okay. Next. Who is this? Is this a dog? Then is this a sheep? Then which picture is this? Dog. A dog is barking. Who is barking? A dog is barking. कौन भौंकता है? Birds भौंकते हैं क्या? Then animal. So which animal? Dog. Yes. So a dog is barking. Okay. Come to next picture. Where is my school? What it is? Where is my school bag? Is this a bag? Yes. Where is my school bag? This मेरा school bag कहाँ है? This is a question. Okay. So children, shall we start reading now? Okay. Show me your magic fingers. Yes. Now Below each letter, below each word, we are going to put our finger. Okay. Say PICTURE, picture. READING, reading. Picture reading. READ, read. ALOUD, aloud. WITH, with. THE, the. HELP, help. OF, of. PICT, URE, picture. CLUES, clues. Okay, read aloud with the help of picture clues. Okay, THE, the. Lotus. SMELLS, smells. NICE, nice. The lotus smells nice. The lotus smells nice. Write the spelling. Today also we will write. Here also on this page. CAR, car. RUNS, runs. on. FUEL, fuel. A car runs on fuel. Okay, come to next picture. Come to next sentence. CAN, can. YOU, OPEN, open. THE, the. LOCK, lock. LOCK, lock. Can you open the lock? Can you open the lock? Okay, next sentence. I have a xylophone. I have a xylophone. Now write the spelling of xylo. XYLOPHONE. Xylophone. I have a xylophone. I have a xylophone. Come to next sentence. A dog. DOG, dog. IS is. BARKING, barking. A dog is barking. A dog is barking. Come to next sentence. WHERE, where. IS is. MY, my. SCHOOL, school. Where is my school? BAG, bag. Where is my school bag? Okay, one more time. Repeat after teacher. The lotus smells nice. A car runs on fuel. Can you open the lock? I have a xylophone. A dog is barking. Where is my school bag? Okay. Now children, take your workbook, take your literacy workbook and come to page number 2727. As I told you in the previous lecture also, in the previous session also, that now from the next time, whenever you are sitting for the class, you have to keep your literacy skill book and workbook also, as well as phonics skill book also with you. Okay, so I hope you have opened page number 2727 of our literacy skill book, and here also one picture reading is there. Yes, so this will be your homework. Right here HW. बच्चे try to read the sentences. Okay, try to recognize the pictures. Okay, try to recognize the picture. If you want, you can take the help from your parents and write the spellings, then you can read the sentences. Okay, so have you written HW? Now come to next page, 2828. Yes, have you opened this page? Page number 2828. So this will be your homework. This will also your homework. Yes. Have you written homework? Page number 27 and 28. Yes. So children, I hope till here you understood. From today onwards, we have started with the reading part. Okay. So from today onwards, we are going to read literacy skill book. Okay, as well as we have our workbook also. So from today onwards, okay, whenever you are sitting for the class, you have to keep with you literacy book kit. माने literacy book kit में क्या क्या आएगा? Literacy skill book, literacy workbook, phonics skill book and phonics reader. These 4 books you have to keep with yourself. Understood? There is one request for all the parents. From today onwards, as we are going to start for the reading part. Okay, so there are some pictures. Yes, picture clues are there, so you have to help your word. Okay, so children, I hope you understand our today's content, which is picture reading. Okay, so there are some more picture reading part, there are some more compositions which we are going to learn in coming session. Okay, so till then, take care. Thank you.